Cooking llama shows the way to make a feast every day. With a sprinkle and a dash, dinner's ready in a flash.
Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen, Cooking Llama Kitchen. Today we are going to learn basic cooking skills and we'll show you very important steps. I'm Natalia, I'm a nutritionist and also a founder of Cooking Llama, and this is Yasin. Hello Yasin. Yes, could you tell me, how old are you? Yes, you are 5 years old. And what about you, Amelia?
5.5.
5.5. Okay, so great. But if you are younger, it will be also very interesting for you. Okay? Keep on watching. What is this, guys? Spoon. Can you take it? Good. Yes, this is buckwheat. Look, I will put it here and I will show you magic. See you next lesson. Goodbye.